All right, today I want to tell you about the tire flat fix story. Number one, I want to tell you about, okay, if you're out with people riding with tubeless, then you need to have these. These are the plugs. Once you figure out where the hole is, you push in and out of the hole and you run it through, and then you grab one of those with this and you push it in, twist it, and then plug it out, pull it out. And since that's separated like that, that leaves that in, and that will plug the hole. Now there is a little thing that can be argued about using rubber cement with this when you push it in. I don't know. You can fix car shit, motorcycle tires, all that. Alright, now when you get to the tubes, you get these. As you see here, I have 3 of these scrubbers to scrub the tube. And then your tube usually goes here, and if you've got a bigger hole on your tube, you want to use this. Or if you also need to do of your tire, this is what you glue down with the rubber cement for all these to put this in. And of course you get this, which is the valve stem, these out of the tire tube. And these, I've got 2 extra nuts. See, I got one that's rusted, so I'm gonna have to put that in a shot glass of vinegar, and then I'll clean that up. These are 3 smallers. It shows you how to do all this stuff. So, personally, I'm wanting to get away from using these things by hand. I want to use the brass wire wheels on my rotary tool that I think will work great. Oh, and by the way, they always give you these, because I tell you, little cocksuckers in my driveway out here, they keep stealing my caps. So, you can get a cap of this for, I think it's about 10 bucks, but you can fix a lot of tires. You can fix in car tires, truck tires, motorcycle tires, tube tires, but I've already showed you what you have to do to take all that tire off to get to that tube. And on a motorcycle you have to do the same thing, but if it's a car or a truck, you have to plug it. Or a tubeless motorcycle, you can do the same thing. So I just wanted to share that with you. The other thing I want to tell you, this shit never lasts very long. And Then they try to sell you a can, which doesn't fit in here. So the other thing I like to do is go in and you can get a couple dollar patches in a tube of this that you've never opened, and just put the glue in here. So see? Juego de... I don't need to read how to do this shit because I've done this since I was probably 12 years old. How to patch this bicycle tubes and shit like that. So, no big deal. So I just thought I'd share with you. But that tool to get those things out, to let the air out of the tube, that's the best way to go. Because you get plenty of those that are brand new. So if the other one comes out and looks a little rusty or crusty, change it out, throw the other one away. Alright, NT8 on the porch. We'll talk to you later.